Welcome back for another technical analysis update on NIO. I'm Dr. B on Webull and I will be analyzing NIO chart today, December 14th, during the pre-market. Once again, please remember that I'm not a professional technical analyst or financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence and don't use the information in this video blindly. In our first NIO analysis, which was on December 10th pre-market, we said that NIO is at the crossroads and perfectly located at the intersection of three channels, one that is old upward channel, and the other is the downward channel that we are currently in, and the third was a hopeful young channel that we created, hoping that it will go back and continue in that trend that we dropped from. In that analysis also, we expected that NIO is going to drop, and we said that it's going to drop to the level where we have an intersection of the median line of the downtrend channel and also the median line of the upward old channel. And this is exactly what happened on the 10th, and NIO dropped to that level and then got a little bit of a rejection and closed a little bit higher than that level. Then on the 11th, NIO continued to drop slightly at the median line of the upward channel, the old channel. During the pre-market today, NIO even dropped further, and now it's sitting at a support level of the upward channel and the center line of the downward channel, as we can see here, which is at the level of the 39, which we also expected that it's going to drop to in our previous analysis. Now, this level is actually, if we look into other indicators and charts, this is the Fibonacci level that we have here. When it dropped first, it dropped to the Fibonacci level, which was the 50%, sitting at 41.33, and now it dropped further below it, and now it's between the 50% and the 61.8%. So as the price is dropping further, this is invalidating our channel, the one that we were hoping to be holding. So we are going to remove this to remove any distraction here. So basically what happened over the big picture is that NIO was uptrending and then it moved to a higher channel, or a channel with a steeper uptrend, which was very good and hopeful. And then all of a sudden, after the bell news, it dropped and now it's going back to that old channel. Now, one thing that we will need to notice here about this significant drop is that if we go to the daily chart and look at the, let's remove this one. If we look at the level of the super trend, so I'm going to remove all the indicators. The EMAs are all pointing down. It's very bearish at this point. So we remove this. And by the way, that indicates that the MACD is going to also be indicating a bearish trend because MACD is depending on the EMAs. So now if you look at this here, we are currently in the pre-market. Webull doesn't still show it here on the daily, but we are sitting here in this point. So this point here, which is 38.1, is actually below the super trend. And we said that super trend usually acts as a strong support and resistance level. So this means we broke the super trend, and I don't know if we are going to keep it this way or we are going to bounce back at a certain point. So where is NIO heading? And where is the next support? So to answer this question, I'm going to bring back the Fibonacci levels. So this way we can see our major levels here. So we are currently sitting here at the 39.2. And being here means that we could continue dropping until we get to the 37.5, which is the next Fibonacci level, the 61.8. It's also possible that we will hold this point here because it's the intersection of the center line and the support, the inner support, bounce back up a little bit and retest the 50%, which is going to be acting now as a resistance, and then probably drop further until we test the 37.58. So now as we test the 37.5 level, here we have a couple of possibilities. We could either hold, go back up again, or we could drop a little bit further, which is going to be the 37 and even maybe get to the 36 level. Now, we are hoping that we are actually going to hold that old channel, but again, we don't know. But so far, it's going well. So if we hold this channel, then we continue to go up, and that way we actually continue our uptrend. If that is not the case, then we will drop further. But for now, we are not going to discuss this until we get any signal that actually indicates this. So far, we are seeing the next couple of levels. So this way we can plan. If it holds, bounces back up, so this means we are probably holding this up channel. And in that case, I would be buying at these levels. I'm actually waiting until it drops to the 37, 36 level. So if you found this video useful, please subscribe and like the video. Also, let us know in the comments what do you think about NIO and where would be the next support. Thank you for watching and good luck with your trading.